Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN, and on today's recipe we'll be doing my delicious white rice. Everybody wants to learn how to cook white rice perfectly, and I'm about to show you today. And if you haven't had my delicious rice, you better slap yourself. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need 1 cup of white rice, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and 1 cup of water. And when I bring this to a boil, I will be right back. And now I'm about to show you. I have brought this water to a boil, and my rice is already in here. See? My rice is already in here. On medium heat, I brought it to a boil. Now I'm going to turn the fire down and let it simmer for 15 minutes. And when that's done, I'm going to show you the finished product of my delicious white rice. Now, this is the finished product of my fluffy white rice. Look at it, y'all. Got the parsley on there. I already added my butter. And look at that. Look at that. It ain't sticking. It ain't sticky. Nothing. Look at that. Perfect white rice. Yes. And if you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. Tell the whole world what I'm doing in this fabulous kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.